Hi everybody and welcome back to my basement. Today I have some upgrades in the back, so I bought a little drawers to put my stuff in, and it feels like Christmas because I received a box and didn't say anything on it, as you can see. There is nothing, only Chinese that I cannot read. And so I'm gonna confess right here, I was just too curious, I opened it, and now I know that iFlight sent me a ton of stuff and I didn't even expect it. So first of all, thank you so much, iFlight. I mean, this means the world to me. It means that what I'm doing is nice. And I'm gonna spoil you because I give you some context. So back some months ago, like they were testing their 75 millimeter drone, and I was making my own Cinewhoop right here, sub 100 gram Cinewhoop. And I was like, you should make a Cinewhoop. Like, I can design a mount for you. And they were like, do you wanna? Yeah, of course. And so yeah, that's a hint for what's inside. Yeah, they made the A75, but they didn't make it a Cinewhoop yet. So I'm gonna try and make it. And I only knew they were sending me a 75 millimeter, but when I opened the box, yeah, I found way more than that. So I'm just so happy about it. It feels like Christmas. Let's open this and I'll show you what they sent me. So as you can see, I tried patching the box up with some sticky adhesive, so it was intact on camera. And you can already see this thing is packed full of stuff. I mean, it's like they instead of using packing material, they sent me goods. So let's start from the wearables. We got the hat right here, and yeah, excuse me for the plastic noise. And just look at this hat right here. It's got the little iFlight logo with the drone on it, but it's quite elegant too. Like, it doesn't give away too much that I mean, it's a regular hat, but it's got the little drone on it so people know I'm a FPV pilot, and that's cool, you know. And then we got the neck warmer to go with it. It's got the little iFlight logo on it. It's got metal parts right here. It's actually very high quality. And I'm surprised because merchandise usually is not high quality, but this is elegant, doesn't give off too much of the merchandise vibe. And it's super warm actually. It's like iFlight knew that here in Italy it will get sub-zero these days, so this is perfect. I'm gonna use it. And also, this gave me an opportunity to go on the mountain and do some flights there because snow, I love it. And also, this is perfect to make some quick money robbing banks, so perfect. And so they sent these two keychains right here. One is Team iFlight with the little dog with goggles, and the other one is only iFlight. But what I like about them is like very cool idea for merchandise actually. Look at this. I mean, they put their Instagram, their Facebook, and also a QR code on the back. So I scanned the code right here, and he asked me to download WeChat, so I guess it's iFlight's WeChat channel. I love they printed it on the back. And then we have a strap for DJI goggles right here. I mean, I don't have DJI goggles yet. I'm foreshadowing. And I wanna see if this fits on my regular goggles, if there is some way, because my strap is getting worn out, so I wouldn't mind changing it. I made a mess. Yeah, very nice. It's a fat strap right here. It's very thick, nice rubberized material. It's got the mount for the DJI stuff right here, but also I guess it will fit my regular goggles, and it also has a space for battery. And here I got my goggles. Look at them. The strap is a little bit worn. And I mean, I wore this for 3 years, the battery died, so I put some 18650 cells on it. And it also has a light indicator and a USB charging, because I ordered one, like proper one from Banggood, but it never arrived. So let's try to put the other strap in, because I'm very curious. Okay, so yeah. And boom, look at that. It's very pimped out now. And let's try them. Comfy. Nice, lightweight. Yeah, I can't see nothing, but we got the battery strap right here, so let's try that. Maybe I need to make an adapter for this kind of batteries. Yeah. Yeah, because it's so weird to have this. Yeah, I need to make an adapter for the battery. But other than that, damn, I like them. Then we got the naked Hero 8 mount right here and the battery eliminator circuit for the Hero 8. Actually, I don't have a Hero 8, but still, I'm gonna take a look at this. And it's very nice. It's made of TPU, very flexible. It opens up, you put your camera inside and you put the screws at the back, just like the old Beta FP, also the new Beta FP ones. I don't like the screws very much, but this is one of the best I've seen so far. Also, it's the only one that comes with the screen for the Hero 8, which is a very nice addition, but I don't know if they make also for without screen and for the Hero 6 with and without screen. Still, very nice. I like the pattern at the back. They use a very nice bed for 3D printing. I mean, this in 3D printed, very nice quality. And also it comes with the cap for the lens back. And I'm just not a big fan of this kind of mount right here. It's the Insta360 Go mount, but I don't know, it raises the camera from the drone. But we will talk about this in another video when I review the drone that arrived. And here we have the back for the Hero 8 with the usual 3 connectors at the back. And it comes with the regular plug you see usually for these kind of bags. And also comes with all the hardware you need. And then let's get to the stars of the show. And the box is from the C85 drone. But really inside here we don't find that. Because if you look at this description right here, I'm gonna zoom them in. You can see one is the C85 and one is the A75. And they were made like some days ago. So I'm so excited to try them. I guess for some of them I will be maybe the first to try, and you can see the sticker is sealed, but I did a very fine job resealing that because I already opened it, so I know what's inside. And I'm just gonna show you the two drones because this is stuff for another review, so I'm not gonna go in detail about this today. And here we go with the two drones right here. I'm gonna review them in another video, so stay tuned, subscribe, and also let me know how do you think they will do. This is the A75. It's very, very beautiful. I love this industrial design on it. Look at that antenna, it's beautiful. And I have the analog versions of them because I don't fly digital. Quite light, and I like to see they use the same propellers as I do, so I already know they are very, very good. And now we have the one I wasn't really expecting. This is the C85 Cinewhoop. They made a pusher Cinewhoop, 85mm. I had one from BDFPV long ago and it burned to crisps. I don't know why, but now I finally have another one and I hope this doesn't do the same. Very nice camera. You can see both of them have analog because I don't have DJI. And also these HQ props, I always seen them. I never had an opportunity to try, but I heard many good things about them. They are very light, but they push very good. So I can't wait to try this. And also they raised this a bit with rubber, but this is stuff for another review. And that's all for today. Stay tuned because I have to make a lot of videos about them. I have to make the review of this. I have to make this into a Cinewhoop. And I have to review this one. And let's see how they compare to each other. So thank you for watching, and thank you iFlight for sending me this stuff. I mean, I appreciate it so much, and it's very good to be back in the game. Till next time, stay safe, and happy flying. Bye!